How to change language on Weverse app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing language on Weverse application. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device, and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage of Weverse, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap on Settings or the gear icon in the top right corner. Again, scroll down and there you will see the section of language. And there is three different options, which is app language, auto translation language, and the option to toggle the switch to translate automatically. So if you want to change the app language, tap on the app language and select the language that you'd like to set from the list. Tap on Save in the bottom and you'll be done. This will restart your application and make the necessary changes. Now, if you want auto translation language, tap on it and select the language for it and you'll be done. And if you want to automatically translate language in this app, go ahead and toggle the switch on and you'll be done. Some of the content posted by the artist and fans will be auto-translated into the language selected once you toggle the switch. So that's it for this video. This is how you can change the language in Weverse application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.